Namaste, I'm Archana. Thank you for joining me for day 29. In today's session, we're going to move mindfully, bringing our awareness to our breath. So we're going to begin today's session by sitting tall, keeping the back straight. Palms can be stacked one over the other or resting on your knees. Relax your face, relax your jaw, part your lips, breathe in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. One more breath in. And exhale. One last time. As you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. Now open your eyes with a few blinks. We're going to draw small circles in the air with the tip of our nose. Eyes can stay closed. 2. Just noticing how it feels in your neck, in your shoulders, your upper back. Let's go the other way. Anti-clockwise. 3, 2, and 1. Now breathe in. Reach your hands up towards the ceiling. Breathe out, turn and twist towards your right side. Bring and stretch. If this is not an option for you, just rest your hand. Bend to the side, deep stretch. Back. This time, breathing in, reach hands up. Breathe out, turn and twist. Notice, since you began this practice, day 1 and today, how far you can twist. Reach your hands. Again, bend. And 1. Release. Breathe in. Interlace your fingers. Stretch towards the ceiling. And as you breathe out, you're seated cat and camel. Pull your navel in. And stretch. All this way up. Stretch and back. Release your hand. This time, breathe in, reach your hands up. Breathe out, fold forward. Just in Sukhasana, forward fold. Forehead onto the mat. Take a deep breath in. You may notice some amount of heaviness in the front of your face. You will stay here for 2 breaths. Cross at your ankle. Come down to lying on your belly. Breathe in. Inhale. Come up. Breathe out. Exhale. This time, palms off the mat. Breathe in. Inhale. Gaze up. Breathe out. Just using your palms are like you're hovering over the mat. And exhale. Breath in. Arch all the way up. Exhale. Come onto your knees. And stretch. Breathe in, reach your legs up towards the ceiling. Breathe out, step between your palms. Adjust your back leg. Inhale, slowly come up. Breathe out. Bend your back knee. Ashwasanchalasana, equestrian pose from your Veerabhadrasana. Press into the mat. Lift. Come back. This time, lie down on your bed. Reach both your hands forward. Breathe in. Reach hands up. Breathe out. Now breathe in, reach your hands up, breathe out, push behind. You're coming into your Vimanasana. 2, and back again. Breathe out and inhale. Try to keep your thighs together. Back, come up, lift up, reach your leg. I'm not trying to go to my maximum extension here. Just reach. Your focus is just your breath. Inhaling, moving up. Veerabhadrasana. Exhale. Down. Drop your knees. Ashwasanchalasana. Breathing in and breathing out. Press into the mat. Lift. We're going to come into a plank. Chaturanga Dandasana. Pull everything in. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2 and 1. Again, drop your belly onto the mat. Forehead here. Inhale. Breathe in. Bring your hands all the way up. This time, just raising your right leg. And drop it down. Breathe out. Forehead on the mat. Breathe in. Reach your hands up. Left comes off the mat. In back. Inhale. Both hands. Both legs. 2 and 1. Bring your palms. Come up. Breath in. Nice. Downward stretch. Heels can be off the mat. Come into your plank. Come to your Chaturanga Dandasana. Hold and stay here. Pull everything in. Breathing in and breathing out. 2 and 1. Now just swing to the side. Breathe in. Reach. Hold this way up. Your plank, side plank, vasisthasana. Breathe in, breathe out, back to center, to the other side. Breath in and breath out. Come back to center. We're going to hold here for 3, 2, just swing here, moving. We're not pushing our belly, pulling our belly in and pushing our seat up. It's trying to stay parallel. 2 and 1. Bend your knees. Open your legs wide. Nice deep stretch. Your downward dog. Drop your heels down. 2 and 1. I'm going to step between my palms. Breathe in. Walk my back leg. Come into your pyramid. Press my left hand into the mat. Turn and twist. Going into your Parivritta trikonasana. Bring it back down. Breath in. Reach. One balance here. Tadasana. Inhale. And as you exhale, turn and twist. 2 and 1. Step back. One last time. Come into your downward dog. This time you can keep your legs wide. Trying to bring your forehead towards the mat. Last one here. 2 and 1. Now slowly stepping your left leg between your palm. Coming to your pyramid. From there resting your palm, right palm, twisting towards the left. One last standing twist. Press, lift, Ekapada Tadasana, balance. Inhale, and as you exhale, twist and hold. Breathe in, breathe out. Drop your legs back. Stay here. Just moving and pedaling your legs out. Right knee, left. Once more. And back. Set your ankle. Come to your boat, Navakasana. Stay here or stretch out and hold. 1. You can just be here. Ardha Navakasana. Half boat or full. 2, 3, 4. And slowly come down to lying. Bring the soles of your feet to touch. Open your legs out. Lie down in Supta, baddha, konasana. Closing your eyes. Just tilting your pelvis so that your lower back rests on the mat. That should feel good. Breathing in. And breathing out. You're going to stay here and chant 1 round of Om. Take a deep breath in, pushing your belly towards the ceiling. Your lower back may arch. Now as you breathe out, we'll chant Om. If you're comfortable in this position, stay here for as long as you want to, closing your eyes. Just noticing the changes that you feel in your body. I hope you enjoyed doing this practice with me. I'll see you tomorrow for day 30. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Namaste.